welcome to Istana Malaysia. This is Danny, my husband, and myself, Mary. My husband been running Istana Malaysia for last 28 years. We make everything fresh here from the scratch.
So what you're going to see today is we're going to make the roti chanai, which is roti means bread and chanai means made out of wheat. So the chef will demonstrate today how to make the roti. The roti is orientated from India, which is from Kerala. We are famous with our roti because we freshly made in Istana Malaysia.